if you're excited.
Well, it's Quone, the 19-year-old from University of the West Indies. So, yeah, we come for bring a new era dancehall today, so a different style. Yeah, Quone. Fully.
Good afternoon. This is your captain speaking with just
Anyway.
an altitude of 37,000 feet and our airspeed is
Anyway. Fully. Infusion. Watch out. Howdy. Alright then. Spend $1 million, do we make it quick? Infusion and Aki we represent. And if $1 man make it flip. Yo man, a top man, you try no forget. A weeks we a go for them. Them a hype with style way I know for them. Them a look hype so we go give them. Alright, yeah. You want money man a pre-want. Every dollar you try no fi follow me. Wealthy a rise the economy, yeah. We feel full of dollar like with the politics. And me tell you already man go for everything. Done on my prime and me still in a me teen. Check it, Monta come away you sip on my receipt. We no buy nothing cheap if you know what I mean. Uptown, money man a program. Scotty than we want for richer than for Oprah. That's the corner look how quick them want for no man. She see the gist I want to give me panic. Hey no sir, manager me no gross up. Nothing no got nowhere near me mustache. For real, she's a G and is a pro that. She see me pants and see me shoes and see the trousers. Spend $1 million, do we make it quick? Infusion and Aki we represent. All if $1 man make it flip. Yo man a top, man you try no forget. Watch out, a weeks we a go for them. Them a hype with style, but you know for them. Them a look hype, so we go get them. Them a look hype, everything expensive. Young and healthy, wealthy, like me do 4 exchanges. Rolex, plenty road, tempting, poor, empty. 4 spin like the what? Golden rim. 2 says see bun about, yeah. Me feel like me dep on house arrest. Just bun a wag a grab with a phone assess. Manager turn up the sound ya deaf. Manager Bucky make me hear it. Them a wonder with it. Me no cheap, me jacket a Louis V. Touch it cheat, everybody want see me. Never spend an extra, you know me, man. Manager.
What you think about his performer? Make some noise to the artist if you don't feel him are going good. Yeah. So make we hear from the judges right now. Our general. What go on? You play with the shirt over there, sir. Wake up.
No, you know, what careful. Careful. Yeah, Quone the I name. Quone. From over Yui. Yeah, manners and respects and give thanks for being a part of the competition. You see me? Yeah, you see me? Bad song. You see me? I love your projection. Oh, you show enough artists say you can project over a fire phone, man. You see me? I deal with. So, we love the projection, we love the song. You see me? I deal with everything alright for me. You see me? I deal with, I don't know.
Yeah.
You just give them more energy and just forward up more hard the next one. You see me? I deal with, you know where I look forward to see. I heard them.
Harole. Alright, so let's keep the counselor, you know what I mean, in this. Because we are tell you, he always have some good point to, you know.
All right.
You understand? So counselor,
Quone,
Courtney Edwards.
good delivery and everything, but I want to just give you a word of advice. It's in writing, people don't like to listen for too long, right? So the best part of the song was given at the last for you. The last verse was better than the first one. To put the last one first. You understand? When you start, diversify the thing. Up and that was the better part for me. So that should have come first. You understand? Coming out for too long. But apart from that, it was good. Well written.
All right, thank you, Mr. Counselor Courtney Edwards. You don't know, I tell you, one of the counselor them that in our place, you know, so you know. Give him a round of applause, Portmore. Yeah, right, encourage your artists them. 100% talent show. Big up, brother. And you don't know, make sure we see it at the next round. Because this is the official show start right now. All right, so we think we're going to go.